Good morning everyone, it's the 8th of April, just after 7 AM, and I've just sent the morning email. So basically, fairly simple plan today. If I just make the 30-minute chart a bit bigger here. We've had a fairly decent rise actually overnight from the 6115 area up towards the 6160. And the 30-minute chart is actually showing quite good support at around about this 6140 area. So we've got the 25 EMA here. We've got the 200 EMA, which is the orange line, and we've got the daily pivot at 6142. So I'm thinking that if we test that area, we might see a bit of a bounce there. The bulls are probably quite keen to have another go at 6,200, probably be about the 20th time, but one of these days it will break and hold, and then we should be on for a rise towards 6,300 in fairly short order, I'd imagine. If I just zoom out a little bit, there's actually a channel on this 30-minute, which if I show here, so let me just draw it with the arrows. So we've got the downward resistance, the line there, and the supporting line there. So we're just within this channel at the moment. So if we do get a little bit of a rise this morning, the top of that channel is at 6170. So I think that would be a good place for it to dip down towards the pivot from. And then, as I say, if that 6140 area holds, then we should get a spring up towards 6,200 again. If, however, the bears break that 6140, 6138 support area, then I think we're going to see certainly the bottom of that channel around 6100 and possibly shoot down a little bit further towards 6075, where we've got the 20-day Bianca channel, and 6080 is S1 as well. So it'll probably be worth flipping that stance and then just getting ready for a possible short the break of that support basically for 6075, and we might see a dip there and then a bounce instead. So that's sort of plan B, if you like. Initially though, I'm thinking that 6140 area is going to hold and we'll get a bounce back up. So I'll just delete those channel lines so you can see where the plan's coming from. So if we look at the 2-hour chart, we've actually crossed with this overnight rise. We've moved above the 100 whole moving average, which is that purple line, and we've got a green coral line as well now. So that held all right on its first test yesterday at around the 6125 area. Bears tried to push it down a bit lower, but bulls have obviously fought back. So we may well see this change to bull later on this afternoon if that moving average crosses up there. Not much else to say on that one really. You can see there's also that PRT resistance line there at 6163, which might well cap this initial rise. So 6163, 6173, around that area. On the daily chart, if we just have a look at that one, we're still really in between the RAF channels, though both are heading down now. The 10-day, just a little bit steeper than the 20-day. 10-day is the red one, 20-day is the green one. So the 20-day is heading down just a little bit steeper than the 20-day. So obviously that's a reflection of all these bounces off of this 6200 area, and then the drops from that area. So trend on that, basically, both of those trends are down. According to the RAF channels, the moving averages are still positive though. So it's kind of in a bit of no man's land really when it's in between the middle of the RAF channels. So that's the plan really. I'm thinking 6140 to hold for a rise to certainly 6200. 6210 was the top of the 20-day Bianca, so we may see a bit of resistance there, though if the bulls break that, then as I said, I think we'll probably be on for 6,300 soon. Surely one of these times, if it tests 6,200 again, surely one of them's going to stick and hold, but we shall see. That's it really. Have a good day, and thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please drop me an email. Bye.